If you're wondering if Xiaomi 15 Ultra has AI features, then the answer is yes. And we can read about all those AI features by going to settings, and then we can go to Xiaomi Hyper AI. And of course we have Gemini, but this is a pretty standard assistant that we have on the newest smartphones. But we can actually go to AI App Boost in order to find more stuff. For example, we have AI Writing, which provides features including expanding, polishing, proofreading, and summarizing your writing and creating pieces of writing based on your prompts. You can also find AI dynamic wallpapers that allow you to convert a photo into a live photo, an animated photo, or wallpaper actually. And of course you can use it in the home screen or the lock screen. Unfortunately, right now, as of the day of recording this video, only supported categories, or those that are working pretty decent, are landscape, cities, plants, and cars. Then we also have AI Creativity Assistant, and while editing photos or videos, we can find the AI Image Enhancement, Expansion, AI Erase Pro, which allows you to remove people from photos or objects in general, and also AI Film that allows you to upload photos and videos to automatically generate videos with the power of AI, or enter prompts to create something totally new. Then we have speech recognition, where we can use transcription and distinguish speakers, summarize, translate, and view individual speakers' content, and that is all done in the Recorder app, where we can create voice memos and voice recordings. Then we have interpret conversations with AI, so we can find the interpreter that is actually hidden in the control center. So over here you should be able to add the interpreter over here, and you can interpret face-to-face. You can find the automatic recognition of the spoken language. You can turn on the microphone automatically once translation finishes to keep the conversation flowing. And we have multiple translation layouts, so we have 3 layouts in total. Well, 2 on this phone actually, that is the vertical and face-to-face. There's also dual screen, but it is for foldable devices, and this is not a foldable device. Then we also have the AI interpreter, where we can open AI interpreter from the side toolbox during a call or conference, and you can translate the conversation between both parties in real time for barrier-free communication. We also have AI subtitles, where we can create real-time bilingual subtitles. You can save subtitle content. Then we also have AI search, where we can search system apps by like photos, videos, files, recordings, notes, and so on and so forth. And it doesn't really matter if they are in different apps. We can just search them anyway, just in one spot. And then we also have the search, where we can search more system apps for more accurate results. And there's also one more that is not mentioned here. More precisely, it is in the camera. So if we go to the camera settings, and if we go to AI recommendations, then over here we can find the ultra zoom, which is in beta version. But by the description we can read that this is also an AI tool, because we can let AI improve the clarity of zoomed in images. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!